Hey y'all, so today I will be showing y'all how we make our own non-dairy milk. We use it with the vegan milk processor. I add about a half a cup of oats, add about 3 cups of alkaline water, secure the top, and then I select and choose what type of milk I'm going to make. I'm going to be making oat milk. Press start, and it's going to blend for about 5 minutes. So now the oats have been blended and mixed well together. I'm going to go ahead and strain the milk, and this is to separate the milk from the oat grains. I do this about 3 times. I sift through it so I can get a nice smooth texture to fill up this 1 liter bottle of milk, and I do this twice just so I can get this size and quantity. Now I'm adding this fresh blend to my French toast batter, and voila, we have French toast for breakfast this morning, and my little one seems to like it. It was good though. Please go to my Instagram and Facebook page, Fat Soul Foods, and my YouTube channel and subscribe.